January 15th, 2014, 11 a.m. You can see this is all painted sky. You can see the edge of it here. These are real clouds. These are sprays of painted clouds from these clouds here. You can see they're falling. And this is what they've done. You can see how vast this fake cloud is. Here's the edges of it, and that's how you can tell. It's flat, it's not puffy, and you've got the streamers falling off of it on the edges there. And there it is. It was just laid down. You can see the trails leading to it or out of it right there. Signing off.